Hi, today we are going to see the PLSQL identifiers. PLSQL identifiers are constants, variables, exceptions, procedures, cursors and reserved words. The identifier consists of a letter optionally followed by more letters, numerals, dollar signs, underscores and number signs and should not exceed 30 characters. Okay. By default, identifiers are not case sensitive, so you can use integer or integer, capital integer, to represent the numeric value, but you cannot use a reserved word as an identifier. The PLSQL delimiters. What is PLSQL delimiters? A delimiter is a symbol with a special meaning, and I have given list of delimiters below: plus, minus, asterisk, multiplication, that is division, etc. And then percentage symbol is for attribute indicator, and quotes for character string delimited, and equivalent for assignment operator, and greater than and lesser than or relational operator. Likewise, there are many delimiters available in the PLSQL. We can get it from the PLSQL manual. And we are going to see about the PLSQL comment section. That means comments. Comments are inevitable in all programming languages. Whenever we write any programs, we should write some comments. Why means whenever a new person joins in our team, he should understand what we have written. Otherwise, it will be confusing for him. He can understand, but it will take more time. In order to learn the program, in order to understand the program quickly, the comments are needed. So, program comments are explanatory statements that can be included in the PLSQL code that you write and helps anyone reading its source code. All programming languages allow some form of comments. There are two types of comments. One is single line, other one is multi-line comments. All characters available inside the comment are ignored by the PLSQL compiler. There is no need to worry about that. Okay, the PLSQL single line comments start with the delimiter 2 hyphens, that is a double hyphen, and multi-line comments are enclosed by slash asterisk and asterisk slash. Okay, we will see one small program we can easily understand. Here already I have written one small program. Declare means the declaration section. We have given message, then data type, then we are assigning the hello world to the message, then we are displaying the message. This is the simple logic. Okay, we are going to add the comment section now. We are going to add the comment section. There is no comment section. Wherever you can add the comment, we are going to add some comments actually. Something like this you can give, but it should start with a double hyphen. Okay, now I will execute this program. See, it displays the hello world. That means whenever we add anything with a double hyphen before it, it is getting ignored by the compiler. So compiler ignores it and it compiles the code, and finally we can execute the code without any error. So comments helps us to know more about what we have written. That means you can understand the program very easily. Then PLSQL program units. Actually, PLSQL unit is any one of the following. Either it might be a function, PLSQL block, package or package body, or procedure and trigger. We will see about all these things elaborately in the coming videos. Thanks. Bye.